Welcome to another video. In this video, you'll find out how you can use AI to generate study notes from textbooks. If you're having trouble trying to study long textbooks, this is a way to summarize that into study notes by using AI. I'm gonna use DeepSeek AI for it. To do that, first of all, go into your Google browser or any browser that you're using and search for DeepSeek. Once you're on the main website, you'll need to log in. You can give it your email address, phone number, and password to log in, or just log in with your Google account. Once you're on the main page, you'll see this attachment button. Click on it and attach the textbook that you have. Once it's attached, you can write the message. Summarize the data in this book or chapter and make short notes for me to study. By giving out this prompt, DeepSeek will create study notes from your textbook. Once you click on enter, you'll see that it has created a long explanation of every key notes from the textbook. You'll also have key takeaways and study notes. For example, it will tell you which contents you need to focus on. If you don't understand anything from it, just copy it. For example, industry attractiveness. Paste it there and ask it to explain in detail, and you'll see that it will explain it in detail again. By studying this way, you'll be able to get explanation on anything that you don't understand by just copy and pasting it. This is how you can use AI in order to create study notes from textbooks. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe.